Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is I'm going to give you two examples of how to get the path of a file. Now I've got some text files on my desktop, so I've created the path to my desktop. This is the variable path and I've assigned it to C users mark desktop. Now that's the path to my desktop. Your desktop path will be different from this, so make sure you find out what your own desktop path is. And then what we've done is we've done os.chdir and path, so we're changing into this path. Remember also to import the OS module here or else it won't work. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a path here. I'm going to assign it to my file, so that's going to be C slash users slash mark hello kitty slash desktop, and then the name of this, which is I call it my. Okay. So it's going to be my.txt. Okay. So then I'm going to create another variable called folder path. I'm going to assign that to os.path.direname, which is in the path here. Right. Okay, so we've got that. Then what we're going to do is we're going to print folder path. Okay, then all we have to do is call the program, which is folder path 1. Okay, that's the should be like that. Okay, let's save it. Let's run the program. And there we go. We've got the folder path to it, which is users mark desktop. Okay, we're going to do a slight variation on this. I'm going to call it folder path 2. I'm going to create a variable called file name. I'm going to assign that to input to get the user input, and then we're going to ask the user for some input. Enter file name. So the user will enter the file name there. Then we're going to create another variable called folder path. And we're going to assign that to os.path.join. That's going to be the path with the file name. Okay. Right, now all we need to do there is print out the folder path. So print folder path. There we go, and we should be good to go. Just change this down here, so this is going to be folder path 2. Okay, let's save that. Let's run the program. Okay, so let's enter our file name. I think it was called my.txt. Hit enter, and there you go. It's given us the path with, and it's joined the file name to it as well, my.txt. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. And remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscription button below, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.